In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious croissant bread pudding recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 4 croissants cut in half, 4 eggs, 4 egg yolks, 3 cups of half and half, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of raisins, and 1 cup of sugar. In a bowl, we're going to add in the egg yolks and the eggs, and we're going to use a whisk to mix until it's completely combined. Add in the sugar and mix until completely smooth. Now we're going to add in the vanilla extract. Slowly add in the half and half. In a baking pan, we're going to add the bottoms of the croissants. Add half of the raisins on top. Pour half of the mixture over top of the croissants. Sprinkle with half of the remaining raisins. Add the tops back onto the croissants. Pour the remaining mixture over top. Use a spoon to coat all of the tops of the croissants. Add the remaining raisins. Let the croissants soak in the mixture for 5 minutes. Cover with foil. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Remove the foil. Bake it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Our croissant bread pudding is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.